If you have rental property or an Airbnb, then I want to show you 5 questions I've asked HMRC and how the answers they gave me directly have to do with the amount of money you're paying them each year in the form of tax. Sole trader, Airbnb host, or just the UK rental property income. And this is regarding what information you're giving HMRC when you've just started to rent out your property. I don't like the pressure of hiding information from financial entities like HMRC, so I just went on the website and registered as a sole trader, and when they asked me what description to give, I just tell them an Airbnb host. I explained the situation over here and I ask, last year I started to rent out my flat on Airbnb and I just wanted to tell HMRC that I've started a side hustle as a host. So I registered as a sole trader. However, I've started to do my self-assessment tax return and I found that was not needed. Actually, when you start to do your self-assessment tax return, there's a question at one point where it asks you, have you earned any money with any UK property or land? And if you answer yes, it's going to ask you another set of questions where you actually tell them about the income you've made renting out your property. So long story short, they answer the question saying that the income from the Airbnb, it is indeed taxable under a rental business and it's not self-employment. Therefore, I go on and tell them, oh, but I did register as self-employed, what should I do? And they say that was not needed, so you can leave it as it is, or you can try to delete it from the system. Bottom line is, if you're planning to rent out your property, then you do not need to register as self-employed, nor as a sole trader on HMRC. You just start to rent out your property, and when self-assessment tax time comes, you just tell them you have income from property, and then they'll ask you another set of questions, and that will get sorted. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so don't miss out on any other helpful videos. Good luck with your rental property, and I'll see you again in another video. Goodbye.